So there are those mornings where I don't want to make breakfast. I don't want to make a protein shake, none of that stuff. So I will go to Starbucks and get the iced Americano with 3 pump skinny mocha. And then I used to get the egg bites and the red pepper one, and that was so good. And I think it was 5 points for 2, but I noticed I would be full after eating it, but then like real quickly, like within an hour, I was hungry again and wanted something to eat. So my new thing has been the reduced fat turkey and bacon sandwich. Turkey bacon sandwich. It's turkey bacon. And it's egg whites in here. And this is so good from Starbucks. So this is my go-to when I'm not making anything at home. So if you are in a rush, or say if you're going on a little road trip and you're hungry, then this is something really good to have. It tastes so good. I know I can make these on my own too, but there's just something about not having to make it, not having to even microwave, like just like let the Starbucks baristas do it. It's so good. I know it's not the best. So yeah, this right here, sometimes I'll add like strawberries or something like that, but I'm not going to today. Most of the time I don't, but sometimes if I have fresh strawberries and I'm like craving them, then I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna have that. Okay, so this is my to-go snack idea. I just like to put strawberries sliced up in little lunch baggies like this for me and the kids, and grapes. You could do other fruits as well, but this is when I go pick up my kids from school, or when I did, because you know, times have kind of changed here. But I would just get the little bags of fruit and drink my cold water, and simple. So if you watch my videos before, you know I'm obsessed with this miso ginger broth and the chicken cilantro wontons, but now I make it extra spicy, and it's my new way of having this. It's super easy. You just get the chicken wontons and pour some of that broth in there, which is 0 points, by the way. I like to add a little bit of soy sauce, that's the reduced sodium one, and then plop those wontons in. And after that, I then add a little bit of leaven to it, you guys. Okay, life changer, super easy, but you gotta get the sriracha. You gotta get it. It is so good. So right here it doesn't look like much, but once you mix it up, it just makes the whole thing spicy, and I love it. You could add green onions on, but I ended up using green onions for dinner later on, so you're gonna see that right now. So I put potatoes and carrots in the oven, and then this recipe, you could pause it right here, but this is the best way to make pork chops. It is so good. It is seasoned to perfection, and I don't think I want plain old salt and pepper pork chops anymore after this. So yeah, make sure you pause if you want the recipe. Just go back to that little clip. But it's super easy and very filling. Oh my gosh, you guys, just looking at this is making me drool. So I'm just swishing around the olive oil, but then there is this sauce that my husband made. It is so good. So this is what he said he used for it. Oh my gosh, it just makes it 10 times better, you guys. So yeah, easy to cook. There's the sauce. I'm obsessed with the sauce. I could just have it by itself, but here is the actual dinner, and like I said a billion trillion times, it is so good, but it is. The potatoes, the carrots, the sauce, the pork chops. So this is another easy one for those of you that are new to Weight Watchers. These are chicken jalapeno like sausages, and I just like mine with mustard and vegetables. You can have it in a bun if you want, but yeah, I just wanted to share that. And then here's another snack idea. I don't use the light mayo, but I just showed it for option for you guys. Here's a very good dessert, or just any time of the day treat. So you just need a banana, cut it up, and then put some of the Halo Top chocolate chip cookie dough, or any other kind of ice cream you like, and then add the fat-free Ready Whip. And oh my gosh, add cinnamon, chocolate chips, sprinkles. Me, I personally just like the cinnamon because there's something about cinnamon and bananas that I love. But yeah, this is super easy, and I just counted them as 1 point each. So that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!